Hi there, I'm John and I'm going to show you quickly how to add an animated GIF to your LinkedIn company page. I'm going to start on my profile. You can see that I've got a company item here that just has a normal image. If I scroll down you can see it a little bit bigger. So what would happen if I wanted to change that to an animated GIF? Well, first of all, you've got to create an animated GIF and that might not suit your logo. I'm not going to go into the details of how to create it. I've used an app called Snagit and I very quickly made a simple animation here of a change of colors and sizes just to test this out. The most popular GIF creation tool is a free one called Giphy. So if you go to giphy.com and then tap the create button, you can upload photos or images and it'll composite them into a GIF. But I'll let you experiment with that. If you've got a designer who can create a GIF out of your logo, by all means contact them. Okay, so let's say that you've got one of those animated GIFs. How do you add it to your company page? Well, I would go into the Me menu and then go down to my company page, which is listed in there near the bottom. That will give you an overview of your company page. You can see that I'm not really doing very much with my company page at all. You switch over to the Overview tab at the top, and then you will see your standard logo that hopefully you'll already have uploaded. So just tap the pen icon next to that. It asks for something that's 300 by 300. My test animated GIF is actually quite a bit bigger than that, but it seems to work. So if I'll select this and I'm going to select the GIF and then it'll put it in, and I should be given a prompt to save in just a second. Okay, there it is. So I'm going to tap publish, and that has now added it to my profile. If I go back to my profile view, it's still showing me the old version, but if I refresh the page now and cross my fingers, fantastic. So I've got the new version and you can see just about that it's animating there. If I scroll down, yeah, so the bigger version is animating as well. So you might think that that's a bit of a gimmick, but I was quite impressed when I saw this earlier today. And someone with far better design skills than I have could probably use it to help them stand out. So give it a try, let me know what you think, and I'll speak to you again soon. Thank you.